guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I was like depending on doing a Roblox video or just like, like dancing, But my cousin just got me a Needoh. No, but like he went to like the store and bought me it. Like there were like 3 left. So let's open it. He got the blue one. I wanted the purple one. And like he surprised me with it. So shout out to my cousin. He got a blue Needoh Nice Cube. I got the purple Needoh Nice Cube. Let's open this baddie up. Some ASMR first. Let's open.
Lo volviste a hacer.
It's not coming out. Oops. Okay. Guys. Oh, it came out. Okay. Guys, time for the first squish. Let's get to it. 3. Oh, by the way, guys, should I do like the... I should do that. Oh wait, guys, I did my first squish. Guys, it's literally so clear. Bye. No, just kidding, guys. A little more ASMR. It's kind of firm, but it won't be firm after. Because I'm going to be playing with this thing every day. Okay? Okay. Anyways, guys. Oh, frick. Anyways, guys. Bye. Love y'all.